The University of Technology Sydney and Sydney Water have collaborated to design and build a world-first end-to-end robotic solution for preventing multiple pipe failures in the same pipeline. 6 years of collaborative research on pipe failure prediction provided insights to develop the new sensing and robotic tools to meet specific industry requirements for quick condition assessment in time-critical main break conditions. Sydney Water has over 21,000 kilometres of water mains, of which 4,500 are critical to the distribution of drinking water across the city. With over 175 critical pipe failures per year, costing around $30 million for reactive and $30 million for planned maintenance, the significant disruption and inconvenience to Sydney Water customers was the driving catalyst for the development of the R2T2 robot, to prevent multiple pipe failures in the same geographic region. Highlights and innovation. R2T2 enables Sydney Water and the Australian water industry to do things differently through the adoption of robotics automation technology spawned by the Fourth Industrial Revolution. It uses advances in artificial intelligence, data science, 3D printing and mechatronics to monitor underground assets in safer and more cost-effective way, to inspect confined pipes not suitable for human entry through human-robot collaboration. R2T2 intelligently and autonomously operates and navigates in various pipe diameters and pipe conditions. It builds accurate 3D thickness maps quickly in GPS-denied environments and can measure 100 metres of a pipeline in both directions in 2 hours and transmit the information in real time. The R2T2 robot is easy to use, generates quick results in time-critical conditions to enable rapid response by maintenance and repair crew. It is safe to use in water pipe break environments. R2T2 has created a number of significant benefits for Sydney Water. It allows preventative pipe replacement and repair of all affected sections of the pipeline while vehicle traffic is being controlled and water is shut off. The use of R2T2 reduces water loss from multiple main breaks. It allows improved services to customers by preventing future damage and disruptions. R2T2 is being operationalised for use in reactive and planned maintenance and will transform the way Sydney Water responds to critical pipe failure and asset maintenance protocols. R2T2 is also being used by other water-related projects and will be commercialised for other utilities to use. R2T2 will enable the Australian water industry to be global leaders in robotics for water-related smart asset management.